some of the stuff that you deal with is ignorance. We just can't blame on Trumpers or anti-vaxxers that come from that area, because we got some of our own people who don't listen or would not heed village mentality, or been able to help us to survive that Holocaust, because some of those numbers don't have to be ours.
That's right.
Ed taught in Tuskegee. He was, Dean of Chapel Tuskegee, thing of that nature, and most of us know that when medicine and politics get together, they make strange babies in Black and brown communities. but we still listen to people who talk about, the Tuskegee experiment as a reason for not taking it. They're not really understanding the nature of what the Tuskegee experiment really was.
That's right.
I mean, that was not a case of people trying to give you vaccination. They wouldn't give you the vaccination.
They wouldn't give. That's it. That's it.
Right.
But you could have cleared that ignorance up in our community quickly with folk, and then they tell you, now get on down there and take that shot. You know what I mean? I'm just saying, the polio issue, we've been taking vaccines all our life. So where do we get now all these folk who have access to the healthcare, and then we get these excuses? It's the lack of community and trust. It has been broken down between our generations, and that's what got to be fixed.
And Steve, some of this is a result too of our separating ourselves from our own communities. I remember growing up seeing very few doctors until I moved to Atlanta that looked like me. When I moved to Atlanta, I mean, that was like, you could see Black doctors, Black dentists, Black nurses. I mean,
they went to our church.
Folks were in leadership roles.
We shopped in the same stores.
We shopped the same store, went to the same church.
Yes.
We were together. One of the things that has happened as a percentage of us have begun to blossom and move into the broader culture, we have moved not only into the culture, we've moved away from our own culture. And we've lost some voices in our community that are important for us to be able to hear. You just said it. In what happened in Tuskegee, nobody gave those Black men syphilis. They had it already. The sin was they used them in an experiment, giving only some the vaccine and others placebo. And those that did not get it died. Now, and what I can't understand for the life of me is now all of a sudden we got to know everything that's in everything we put in our. You don't even know what's in. You don't know what's in a McDonald's hamburger.